Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. This is Teresa, and that's Sophie's Universe. Step 1. I had step 2 done. However, I changed colors to this color. The color I had chosen originally was too green for my taste to go in front of something that was lighter. I just didn't like the way it looked. But this is a Hirschner's, worsted heather 8-ounce ball. This came in an 8-pack. I believe it was intended for Sophie's Universe. I took it that way because it was an 8-pack. And I like the heather, and it's a navel color. It's a very pale blue. It is it's a weight of 4, made in Turkey, 18 stitches and 26 rows, and a 4-inch square, needle size I. Yeah, I'm not using that. I'm using a 5. I don't know how many yards. Did we miss that? There it is, 489 yards. That is barely just gonna get me to the end of what I need this color for in Sophie's Universe. It's nice and soft. It kind of reminds me of a cotton, to be honest, but it's acrylic. There you go. There's the color. Have a great day. Thank you for stopping. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you around the YouTube streets or on my next video. Check my community page. You'll find fun and exciting people to check out on the YouTube streets. Bye.